When ordering organic CBD online, you can expect to pay a little more than what you would for a traditional medicine due to the expensive extraction process. However, with today's technological advancements, it is possible to order high-quality, potent CBD without breaking your bank account. Organic and eco-friendly small businesses like Bathing Bee are now providing top-quality CBD products directly to consumers in their online stores. One of the leading providers of organic bath and body products in 2021, Bathing Bee makes premium bath bombs, lip balms, body rubs, creams packing the power of CBD. Did you know that CBD can be absorbed directly through the skin? This means the powerful healing benefits can be delivered in a variety of forms, including popular bath and body products like bath bombs, body sprays, creams, and more. Bathing Bee's bath bombs are among their most popular CBD-containing products available for purchase online. With varying options ranging in a variety of milligrams of CBD, getting the perfect dose for your next soak is super easy. With every order, Bathing Bee offers a satisfaction guarantee and an affordable price point. A few of the top benefits of CBD include relieving muscle aches, calming anxiety, reducing pain levels in arthritis patients, promoting weight loss by speeding up metabolism, all while being totally organic. People are turning to CBD as a holistic solution for a wide variety of ailments and discomforts, from chronic pain to dermatitis to trouble sleeping. Asterisk note: this is not intended as medical advice, and should not be used for diagnosis or treatment of any disease. Asterisk. Unlike medical and recreational marijuana, CBD doesn't get you high at all. Instead, CBD promotes a feeling of calmness and well-being. Although it is still not recommended to drive or operate heavy machinery while using CBD, because high doses may cause mild drowsiness, there are no mind-altering or psychoactive effects. Rather, CBD works by interacting with your body's endocannabinoid system, which is a network of receptors throughout the brain and nervous system. The thing about CBD, though, it only interacts with certain receptors in the endocannabinoid system. In fact, that is why producers of CBD actually grow strains of cannabis known for having low THC levels, but high levels of CBD. Once harvested, the plant material is further refined to isolate CBD. The final products then go through a rigorous quality process which includes sourcing, testing and packaging before being shipped straight to your door. Visit ordercbd.online to buy organic CBD online today.